Hi everyone, welcome to Giga Drill Games, and today we're gonna show you the new updates for Android Ultimate plugin version 2.0.8. On this version, we introduce two small tools. You can go to Window, then AUP, and now you can download those dependencies, and you don't have to manually download and put it on the directory, which is this one. When you click this download, it will download this, and it will also download this one. So to show you, alright, this is a demo, so I need to show it. You just need this is the required dependencies that we need. So I'm going to delete it for the demonstration, and also this one. So in total that is 7 libraries. So you just need to go to Window, AUP, then download dependency, then click the download button, and after you click that, you just need to wait for it, and then yeah, download complete. 7 over 7, 0 error count, so this is a good sign. So this is the logs that you get. So in here you can see it, of course. You just need to right click, then refresh. And then when you go inside, it will be here and also in here. Oh, okay, so no need for manual downloading, but sometimes when you download it, of course there's a chance that the files can be corrupted, so you can still go to the manual process, but this one will help you a lot. And then we also have AUP, then find missing scripts. This one, the first button, to use this, you just need to click an active game object, then click, and then it will find for the missing script. And for the second button, it will search for the whole project and look for the missing script. In our case, there's no missing script because I already cleaned it. And then we have a new feature, which is the file picker. This file picker can get image path, audio path, and video path. And then on this video, we added a demo scene, which is this one. This one will get an image path from Android device, of course. This one we will get the audio file path, and this one will get the video file path. And then this one is the file picker audio demo. This will get the audio file. Of course, you have to look it for yourself. You have to select it, of course, and then after you get a audio file, you can play and stop it. And then same here, you click the video file, you click this, and then on window will open, and then you will look for the videos, and then you can play or stop it, and then the video will play here, of course. But there's a thing, not all audio and not all video file is accessible using our plugin, because those applications have their own permission. If their files are not allowed to access by other application, you won't get them. You'll just get a permission restriction error. It will also show in our plugin. And then the last one is like get image path, and then after you get the image, it will show here. And then that's all. So two small tool, then file picker feature, and then this file picker feature is using a different method now to download image, audio, and video. Not video. Video is using the video player from Unity. You can see it here. After we get the file path, so to use the file picker plugin, you just need to of course declare it, then instantiate it. Of course, we always use dispatcher, and then we just need to call the get video file, then you will get a callback here with the file path. And then if we are in Android platform, we added this thing because the file :/ because if we don't add that, you won't get the Android path is different, so you won't access the file. Okay, if we go to the audio picker demo, yeah, it's the same thing. We added the declaration file picker plugin, and then we initialize it, and then you just need to call the audio file path. Then a window will open for you to select the audio that you wanted to get, and then it will call back again with a file path and message. You will see here the message if it is successful or not, but you can easily check this file path. If it's empty, null, it means it's not successful. So it's also checking if it's under platform. It will also add this file / with the file path that it gets, so that we can read it. And then the new way of downloading things, yeah, before we are converting the file path into we are accessing the file and then converting it into a basic support, and then save it using bytes in our phone. But now we are using the Unity web request. It is for the audio, and then this is for the audio type, and then we also have for other files also. But right now we have a lot of utils here that you can use to download. Yeah, this is for loading image, this is for downloading any files, and then yep, that's all. And I think that's the update for Android Ultimate plugin 2.0.8. I hope you like these little updates, and we will still update this plugin and add more things on it. But yeah, it takes time. But if you are happy with this, please comment below. And if you wanted other features, you can comment below also. Yeah, and then please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you haven't bought our plugin, please try it and look for it. Yeah, and it gets a lot of features on it. It will be very helpful for your development. See, we got a lot of this, like for sharing, local notification, audio recording, vibration, flashlight, GPS, battery, basic Android info, speech recognizer with extra local, custom camera, finish activity, alarm demos, image speaker with share existing texture, Android advanced info demo, download image from web and share it, account info, you will get email from the phone, and then either info demo, you'll know if the phone is connected by data or Wi-Fi IP, you'll get the strength, SSID, BSSID, Wi-Fi, RSI, and speed. And then Android native UI, shared prep, a native one, text-to-speech demo, synthesis, you can type file here, then you can save it. And then image speaker, you can text using the SMS, check if your application have their own permission. You can ask permission and check permission. You can check if app is installed on the device, or open the market using the package name. And then yeah, that's all. We got a lot of these things, so I hope you like it. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.